let's learn how to create beautiful concept sketch art with any photo in Photoshop in this super simple tutorial. So here is the effect we're going to be creating today. You can apply this to absolutely any image in Photoshop, and all you need to do is download a quick Photoshop action and run it in Photoshop. So first, get the Photoshop action, come to the Envato Elements Marketplace, make sure you have an account, and locate the Concept Sketch Photoshop action. Link is in the description. From there, click download. Either download without a license if this is for personal use, or apply a license to it for commercial use, and then click add and download. Locate the downloaded zip file, so mine's in my plugins folder, and simply double click it to unzip it. In the folder, you'll get 4 files: the action, the brushes, a how-to PDF, and the pattern. So we need to open the pattern, the brush, and the action in Photoshop, and we will do that shortly. Return to Photoshop, and let's open the image we want to apply the action to. Come to File, Open, locate your image, so mine's in my DWG Images folder, select it, and click Open. Now let's load in the action. File, Open, locate the action folder, so mine's in my plugins folder, select the folder, under Enable, select All Documents, click the action, hold Command or Control, and then click the brushes file and also the patterns file. With these 3 selected, click Open. This has now loaded the pattern, the brushes, and the action into Photoshop. Check the installation by going to Window, Actions, and there you'll see Concept Sketch. Open the folder, and there you can run the action. Make sure your image is a flat 1-layer image. So if you open any JPEG or PNG in Photoshop, you should have the background layer locked, so leave that as it is. So now we need to create a layer to apply the action to. So in my layers panel, click New Layer, and now decide which areas you want to apply the action to by using the brush or selection tools such as the lasso or magnetics tools. So I'm going to use the brush tool. So click the brush, open your brushes, and I'm just going to select a hard round brush, increase the size a little, and remember you can use open brackets or close brackets to make the brush bigger or smaller. So now use the brush to paint over the areas you want to apply the action to. So I'm going to do this very quickly, but you can take more time with this. Once finished, come to your selection tool. So make sure this layer 1 is selected. This is where we're going to apply the action to. And all I need to do now is either come to Window, Actions, or press the play button, which is the shortcut to Actions. Expand the Concept Sketch folder. Click Concept Sketch and press play to run the action. This action can take several minutes to run depending on your RAM and processor speed. There are multiple layers and effects that are applied, so give the action time to run, and Photoshop will give you a continue message once it's finished. So when you're ready, click play. And there you have it. Once the render is completed, press continue. So if you hide the actions, here you go. You can see the action has applied a number of different layers and adjustment layers to the image. All of these can be toggled on or off or adjusted. And if we close the folder and toggle this off, you can see there is the original image and there is the concept sketch that has been applied. If you wanted to apply this effect to the whole image, you could simply create a new layer, fill the entire layer using the fill paint bucket tool with black, and then just apply the action to the entire layer. So there you have it. It's that simple to create this stunning concept sketch effect in Photoshop using a 1-click Photoshop action. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.